Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting question from Stanford Math Tournament 2024. In the problem, qx is known to us, x cube minus 9x square plus 18x plus 27. Then it is said to find the value of q of minus 10 plus q of minus 8 plus q of minus 6 plus q of minus 4 up to q of 16. So let's get started by writing here required expression equal to E. Now we will write qx first will be equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 18x plus 27 will be equal to. Now from first three terms we can take x common. So in the bracket we can write x square minus 9x plus 18 plus 27. We will write equal to x. Now we can factor x square minus 9x plus 18. So we will write here x square minus 9x can be written as minus 3x minus 6x plus 18 plus 27 will be equal to x. From first two terms we can take x common. So in the bracket we are going to write x minus 3. From next two terms we can take minus 6 common. So in the bracket we will be getting x minus 3 plus 27. Now x minus 3 is common. So we will write x times x minus 3 times x minus 6 plus 27. So this is our qx. Let us write this is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. I will write qx here. Qx equal to x times x minus 3 times x minus 6 plus 27. Equation number 1. Now we are going to replace x with 6 minus x. So we can get q of 6 minus x will be equal to 6 minus x. In the place of x we have written 6 minus x. Now x minus 3 will be 6 minus x minus 3. X minus 6 we will write 6 minus x minus 6 plus 27 will be equal to 6 minus x. 6 minus 3 is 3. So we will write 3 minus x. Here we will cancel 6 and minus 6. So we'll be getting minus x. Then we have plus 27. Now we will take minus 1 common from this bracket and minus 1 common from this bracket. So we can write here minus 1 is common. In the bracket x minus 6. Minus 1 is common. In the bracket x minus 3. Then we have minus x. Then we will add 27. Now minus 1 times minus 1 times minus will give us overall minus sign. Then we will write x first and then we will write x minus 3 and then we will write here x minus 6 plus 27. This is the value of q6 minus x. Let's say this is our equation number 2. You can see qx is having x times x minus 3 times x minus 6. Here we have minus x times x minus 3 times x minus 6. Let's add both the equations. 1 plus 2. We will get qx plus q of 6 minus x in the LHS. In RHS we have to add 27 and 27. So we will get 54. Let's say this is our equation number 3. We will write here qx plus q of 6 minus x equal to 54. Equation number 3. Now we have to put values of x. X equal to minus 10, as we have q of minus 10 here in the required expression E. So we will plug in x equal to minus 10. We are going to get q of minus 10 plus q of 6 minus of minus 10 becomes 6 plus 10, which is q of 16 equal to 54. This will be our equation number 4. Now we will plug in x equal to minus 8. So we will get q of minus 8 plus q of 14 equal to 54. Equation number 5. Now we have to plug in x equal to minus 6. So we will get q of minus 6 plus q of 12 equal to 54. This is our equation number 6. We have to plug in x equal to minus 4. We will get q of minus 4 plus q of 10 equal to 54. Equation number 7. Now we will plug in x equal to minus 2. We are going to get q of minus 2 plus q of 8 equal to 54. We'll say this is equation number 8. In the same way, if we will plug in x equal to 0, we are going to get q of 0 plus q of 6 equal to 54. This is our equation number 9. Then we have to plug in x equal to 2. So we will get q of 2 plus q of 4 equal to 54, and this will be equation number 10. Now required expression is our LHS of all the equations from 4 to 10. So we are going to add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will write here equation 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus up to equation number 10. We are going to get LHS equal to required expression E. And in RHS, we will get 54, and in the bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. There are 7 ones. So we will write 54 times 7, which is equal to 378. So our final answer becomes 378. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.